Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Learn English with Fun. Today's video is all about a conversation short video. Because in few last classes we have been learning and talking about present indefinite tense. Now it's time to learn that what are the applications of प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस. प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस को यूज़ करके बात कैसे करते हैं, कम्युनिकेशन कैसे कर सकते हैं हम एक दूसरे से, वो हम जानने वाले हैं इस वीडियो में. और वो मैं आपको प्रैक्टिकली एक कॉन्वर्जेशन के साथ करके बताऊंगा कि कैसे आपस में आप कम्युनिकेट कर सकते हैं विद योर पार्टनर एग्जैक्टली इन इंग्लिश. सो मेक श्योर टू स्टे ट्यून्ड विद दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड. और मैं आपसे मिलूंगा इस कॉन्वर्जेशन के तुरंत बाद. सो हियर द कॉन्वर्जेशन स्टार्ट्स इन 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Hi, my name is Santosh. What is your name? My name is Jay. Where do you live, Santosh? I live in New Delhi. Where do you live? I live in Patna. What do you do in Patna? I teach maths in a school. Do you teach maths only? No, absolutely not. I teach maths and science both. At what time do you go to your school? Well, I go to school at 8 o'clock. I take 4 classes before lunch, and after lunch, I again take 4 classes. And what time do you come back home? I come back home at around 2 o'clock. Which language do you use while teaching your students? I use both the languages, Hindi and English both. What do you do in your free time, by the way? I watch TV in my free time. Which movies do you like to watch? Hindi or English movies? I like to watch English movies so that I can improve my English language also. How much time do you spend for watching movies? I don't spend much more time on watching movies, but I try to complete a movie in a week. So apart from watching English movies, what do you do extra things to improve your English? Well, I do a lot of activities in order to improve my spoken English. I watch Learn English with Fun YouTube videos also so that I can get to know that what kind of activities are important to improve spoken English. By doing this, what happens that I keep myself involved in such activities where I have to speak in English, right? So this is how I improve my spoken English part. I didn't carry my watch. Can you tell me what is the time right now? It's 1 o'clock. Oh, seriously? Is it 1 o'clock right now? I have to go. Okay, see you next time. Oh, thank you. It was nice talking to you. It was nice talking to you too. Hello friends, welcome back. In today's video, you watched that how two characters are talking to each other by using only one format of tense, that is present indefinite tense. So I hope that you would have understood everything from this conversation and it would be really very helpful to you all. Trust me guys, if you practice this conversation again and again at your home, it will help you a lot to improve your spoken English. So make sure that whenever you get some free time, get a partner and try to communicate in English. Create a good environment of speaking English. Try to speak this, right? Until if you don't try to speak, you'll never learn how to speak in English, right? So for speaking, I'm always saying you that please keep practicing daily. So now I hope that you would have got everything and will practice after the sessions whenever you get some time. Now if you enjoyed watching this conversation, make sure to like this video, share this video and subscribe to our channel to stay connected with us. And don't forget to hit the bell icon because whenever we upload some videos, you'll get that notification without any problem. Now at the end, thanks a lot for watching this conversation. At the end, keep learning and keep growing.